All right, welcome to this channel once again. This is Efoko Joseph, your anchor person at the Free Genuine Airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do your RUBI KYC. KYC simply stands for Know Your Customer. It is a step taken by platforms to ensure the authenticity of your information, your identity on their site, just to ensure that your information is okay and that your coins or whatever you have on the site is safe. Okay, what do we do in as far as this RUBI is concerned? First of all, is to go to your profile. Your profile is located here under that icon where you have like a human head there. Just open it. Okay, after you have opened that, you go to my information to check what you have in your information if it is correct. Okay, so just go there to verify if it's correct. I don't know why this thing keeps coming up. I don't know where you are coming up. Please leave. I don't want you here. It's not funny. Okay. So you go to your my information and check. If everything is okay, you click out again and go back to your area and then open your wallet. Your wallet is the fourth icon on the lower part of your pane here, the one that is close to those three marks. So you just open it. It's located somewhere here. So you open it. Okay, if you open that, you need to create a transaction pin. You go to your settings. Okay, and it says pin setting. Okay, so click on that pin setting and enter whatever you want to enter into that pin setting. Okay, so my pin setting has been done, and okay, now that I have done my pin setting, what I need to do is to be sure that I have enough RUBI in my wallet. That I have enough RUBI in my wallet. And how do I get RUBI? It's simply to go to somebody who has been verified, somebody who can transfer from his wallet. For you to be able to transfer from your wallet, you must have been verified. And you need at least 2 to 4 RUBI in your account. But for me, I will advise you have at least 4 to expedite your KYC stuff. So you go to to your RUBI account and click on this area that says receive. Sorry. That area that says receive. Okay. So click it. This is what you have. This is your RUBI wallet account address, and this is also your address. So you can either send this one to the person who is going to send you the RUBI, or you can also send this one to the person. So for you to do it, either you manually click and copy, or you simply click on this place to copy this. You just click on that and you send to the person who is going to send you the RUBI that you need. But in my own case, I already have what I need for the verification of my account. That is what you're seeing for RUBI block here. So I don't need anybody to now start sending me anything again. The next thing I need to do is to go to the user verification. So we'll go back to my profile and go to user verification. Okay, so that is the one you have here. This one, user verification. We'll open it and then click on EKYC, and you can see it is not verified. Because it is not verified, I need to open it now and follow the procedure. Just click on that not verified area and you see welcome to RUBI KYC, where social whatever. Click on continue and then It now says complete ownership information over 30 days and exploit. And it also says exploit at least 30 Ruby in your account. So that means that for you to be qualified to do this, you would have completed your ownership information over 30 days. I just did mine recently. That's why this is not highlighted. But it says you must have at least over 30 Ruby in your account. I already have over 30. And then you have to receive information from KYC. So before I can proceed with this one has to be right and this one has to be right. But let's still show you what you need to do before, or what you need to see before you can do that. So those are the few things that you need to be sure of for you to now know whether you have enough coin. You click on this area that says statistics. You open it, open the statistics, and allow it to load. Okay. So this thing is still coming up. Still coming up. Okay. So you click on user verify. Okay. And it says go to KYC. Let's click on that. I'm not yet qualified, unverified. Okay. So we are still back to this same area because I'm not qualified yet. That is why you are seeing this. But if I'm qualified and I click on continue and all these are all ticked, I will now be able to proceed with it. So what I would have done is to check the area that says the priority level, 2 coins, 4 coins, as the case may be. I will just click on the 4 coins and proceed with it. So as I proceed with the 4 coins, I'll be asked to open my wallet and I will click checkout and transfer. And after I transfer that, I click on already paid before I click on KYC now. Then I will be asked to bring my national ID card, my passport, and I click got it. So when I do that, I will wait for like 1 or 2 days for it to be completed. All right, this is just for you to be able to know what you are supposed to do. It means that with this, I will come back again to shoot another video when I am completely giving the go ahead to do my KYC. I will come back to do the remaining part of the video, at least as an update, so that you will be able to do that. I'm doing this for the benefit of those of you already qualified. That those who are not yet qualified, at least by the time my video, the second part is ready, you will be able to do the complete verification. All right, thank you, and see you again. If you like this video, if you see this video as something that is worthwhile, share it with your friends, like it, and leave your comment below. God bless you.